back to them again. Uganda now marching forward. Makoto covering up. Majika, ball played in. Chance into the back of the net for the Ugandans. A great break, a solo run on the near side of the field here for Lilian Mutuzo. Majika didn't do anything better. Look at us. Two players next to her, all allowing her to eventually get the ball and cut in between four Zimbabweans. And the goalkeeper could... Are we going to have deja vu of what happened in 2017 where Zimbabwe had to win, and after playing their game, after drained their game rather... Header! Oh my word! Ball played in, the coach can't believe her eyes. Floated ball far side, keeper came out, a full stretch, couldn't touch the ball.
That was a very good cross from nazo.
Now due to challenges that have come thick and fast, long ball in, keeper stands on the line! Into the back of the net for Zimbabwe. 2-1 the score line. The dream lives on, they still have it, they're still in it to win it. They can still come back in this game. Have a look at this. It is a long ball played in, nobody touching it. And in, just need the help of the upright.